Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C32, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now for me, the Do Not Disturb toggle is right at the front, right here. But if you don't see it on the first page, you can just swipe to the left. There we go. And this will show you a second page and a third page if you need to. Now, once you see this toggle, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize a couple of settings that you might find important. So to quickly go over those settings, under People, you can select who can call you or message you. Now under calls, we do have additional option, which is this one, allow repeated callers, which will allow people to actually call you even when this mode is enabled, no matter what you have selected right here, assuming they called you twice within a 15-minute period. So this option basically bypasses whatever you have right here. Now going back, we have schedule. So here you can set up a fully automatic schedule. We have sleeping, event. Those are the pre-made ones. There's one that someone else created. Disregard this one. But we have these two by default normally. Now we can edit them by just simply tapping on a text and then choosing different days of the week if you want to, start and end time. You can obviously create new ones by clicking right here, add more if you want to. And in general, if you're planning to use schedule, all you would need to do is enable it once it's set up. And that's it. The device will turn it on and off for you based on the provided parameters that you have chosen. Now going down a little bit further, we have duration for quick settings. Now this will be a good option for people that won't be using schedule. So if you tend to enable your Do Not Disturb mode just maybe on random occasions when you're going to some business meeting that happen out of nowhere, then I recommend selecting the 1 hour option right here and maybe changing it to something more reasonable, 3-4 hours, depending on how much time you think you will spend in whatever meeting you have, and plus a little bit extra. Now the reason I recommend selecting this is because, at least in my case, I would probably forget about it once I turn it on. So once I turn it on and forget about it, all the settings that we have chosen, like for instance who can call us or message us, will be permanently in effect till you turn it off. But if you forget about it, you ain't gonna be turning it off. So this basically means that once you set it all up on a timer and you manually turn it on, it will enable for the 4 hours. I can obviously turn it off before that time by tapping on a toggle once again and disable the timer. But once I forget about it, the device will turn it off automatically after 4 hours, which is a nice kind of safeguard that you might want to have just in case you forget about the toggle. Now that brings me obviously to toggling on manually, which once it's set up, you just need to find the toggle, tap on it, and you're good to go. And once you're done, you can tap on it once more, and that's it. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.